Hello, today on Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner Cooking, we are going to be making peach cobbler. So here we go. Okay, first of all, I'm going to drain. I've got peaches in heavy syrup here, and I'm going to just drain as much of the fluid off of them as I can. And I'm going to put my peaches in my pan. This is heavy syrup and light syrup. I have a couple different kinds here. Okay. I'm looking at them to make sure there's no pits in them. Don't want to break anybody's teeth. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to take I'm going to take a little bit of water, probably just a couple tablespoons of water, with a couple teaspoons or tablespoons of cornstarch. I was gonna do it in the peach juice, but I didn't know if it would mix up because cornstarch mixes really well with water. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put that in my peach juice, and then I'm going to put half a cup of brown sugar and a splash of lemon juice, just like a teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, I'm going to pour that over my peaches. Kind of mix that up a little bit, because you want that to thicken, not tons, but enough to make it so it's not soupy. Okay, I'm going to set that off to the side. And now I'm going to take 1 cup of flour, and a half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and some cinnamon, probably a teaspoon, and a little bit of nutmeg. Well, I need to flip that up. Just a little bit of nutmeg. Okay, now I'm going to take 6 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to cut that in. I haven't made peach cobbler forever and a day. I'm going to cut that up so it's easier to break up in the flour. And I'm going to make it kind of like I do my pie crust. I'm just going to work that all in. Move all this stuff out of the way so you can see. I'm going to a swimming pool party today, so that should be fun. And I figured they'd like some nice peach cobbler. Oh, and I'm going to preheat my oven to 350. Get that all worked in there. I ended up giving some of my stir fry to a neighbor, my Thai cashew chicken, and he went crazy for it. So be sure and look that up. I did that a couple days ago. So yummy. You can make anything yummy at home. You really can. And I'm going to add about a half a cup of sugar to this too. Don't want to forget the sugar. I wonder why the butter wasn't breaking up easier. The sugar helped you break it up. Almost there. Okay. Now, I'm going to add about 3/4 cup of half and half, but you can use milk. I just don't have any milk. So I'm going to add that in there. And I'm going to mix that up. I'm going to put a little more cinnamon. I like cinnamon. You just want it kind of like a batter for muffins. Okay. Now I'm going to bring this back. And I'm going to just plunk this in little sections onto my peaches. This is going to be so yummy. It would be even better with some ice cream to put on it, but I don't have any of that. Just here, there, and everywhere. Make sure you get it all. Okay. Once my oven gets to 350, I'm going to put this in and we'll show you what we got. Okay, it's coming out of the oven. Oh, if you could smell my house right now. It smells so good. And here is my beautiful, beautiful peach cobbler. And I am going to let this rest for maybe 15 minutes and then we'll put it on a plate. Okay, we're going to dish this beautiful, beautiful peach cobbler up. Ooh. Yum, yum. And I think what I'm going to do, next time I'm going to add maybe one more tablespoon of cornstarch. But look at that beautiful peach cobbler. Can you picture that with some ice cream on it? I can. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And love the Lord with all your heart. Thanks for watching. Bye now.